Welcome to our exploration of AI video creation. Today, we will dive into two leading platforms, Synthesia and HeyGen, that are revolutionizing how we create video content. With the rise of social media and online content, the demand for AI-generated video content is soaring in 2025. Let's look at how this trend is shaping the market. Synthesia offers powerful features like personalized avatars and multilingual support, while HeyGen focuses on user-friendly templates and seamless integration. Both platforms are designed with beginners in mind, offering intuitive interfaces that make the video creation process approachable and fun. Are you ready to turn your skills into income? From creating YouTube channels to offering video creation as a service, there are numerous ways to monetize your work. Understanding your audience is key. Synthesia appeals to businesses needing professional content, while HeyGen attracts creatives looking for easy-to-use tools. Let's explore some inspiring success stories from users who have leveraged Synthesia and HeyGen to generate income through AI video creation. To make the most of these platforms, consider these tips: focus on niche content, engage with your audience, and constantly improve your skills.